Good morning, guys. I hope you had a good weekend. It is Monday, and we are working on lesson 5 still, converting larger units to smaller units and smaller units to larger units using this conversion table and unit ratios. If you remember, when we are converting units, we need to have this ratio to help us. So like it says here, the ratio 3 feet to 1 yard is a unit ratio. You can also flip that upside down to 1 yard equals 3 feet as a ratio, and it doesn't change the ratio at all. It makes it easier to do your conversions actually. So I'm assuming you've already turned in or graded the homework for last night, and we are going to work on some guided practice problems. If you've not turned in your homework from last night or graded it, please get that turned in to the tray or to the sub this morning. So I'm going to work through a few more of these just to make sure that you've got it, and then I'll give you your homework. So if we are changing 5 1/3 yards to feet, first we have to change this to an improper fraction. So we would have 5 times 3 plus 1, so 15/16 thirds yards. And then we want to make that equal to our conversion. So we need to find out from the table how many feet are in 1 yard, because we want yard on bottom so we can cancel that out, right? And we want feet on top because that's what we're going to. So you always want, once you're going to on top, what you're going from on bottom. So we know that 3 feet is 1 yard. If you look back at the table, it'll tell you that. Also, 1 yard is 3 feet. Remember, we can flip that upside down if we need to, but we want it so that these are diagonal so we can cancel them, okay? So we're going to cancel that and cancel that, and then multiply straight across. You get 8. Whoops, no, you don't get 18. 16 times 3. I need some work room here. So that's 48 thirds. We could also cancel before we started, couldn't we? We could cancel the 3's and then just get 16 over 1, or just 16 feet. If you do 48 divided by 3, you get 16. So see, I could have canceled before I started, cancel the 3's out, and that makes it a lot easier. Okay, now 4.5 pints to cups. Again, we want to do 4 times 2 plus 1, so that's 8, 9 halves pints up here on top with this. And then that equals, we want pints on bottom, cups on top. Now, I don't remember the pints to cups, so I'm going to go back and look at the table. Cups is here. Okay, 8 fluid ounces. That's not what we want. We want pints and cups. Here's 1 pint, 2 cups. Okay, let's go back to our problem. 1 pint, we're going to flip it upside down, right? 1 pint is 2 cups. Okay, now we can cancel out pints. We can also cancel out the 2's. And we end up with 9 over 1, which is 9 cups. Now, quarts to gallons. We have 12 quarts, so we're just going to make that 12 over 1 quarts. And then we want quarts on bottom, gallon on top. We'll go back to our conversion. Quarts, here's gallon, 4 quarts. 1 gallon is 4 quarts. So we go back to our problem. 1 gallon is 4 quarts. Now the quarts can cancel, and we end up with 12 over 1, or 12 over 4, sorry. Oh, we can cancel there, can't we? Let's do that first. Instead of doing the 12 over 4, we can divide 12 and 4 by 4. That would be 1. That would be 3. Then we get 3 over 1. So that means it's 3 gallons. Now 28 inches to feet, 28 inches. We're going to put that over 1. We've got inches on bottom, so we can cancel that out. Feet on top. I know that 12 inches is 1 foot. Okay. We're going to cancel out our inches. And then 12 and 28, I believe, can both be divided by 4. So that would be 3. That would be 7. So now we have 7 over 3 feet. And then we need to simplify that. 3 goes into 7 2 times, which is 6. So I have 1/3 left over. So it's 2 1/3 feet. Okay. I hope that helps you a little bit with your problems today. And let's see, let's go to the homework. Okay, we are doing page 295, and it'll be 19 to 25. I don't know why I didn't have you do to 28, but I didn't. I said to go to 25. So we'll do 25. If you want extra practice, you could always do those and then check the answers with the sub, have them check in the book. So these are the exact same as what we were just doing. You're going to look at your table, make sure you have your conversions so that you can cancel. Okay. Whoops. 23 is a word problem. 2/3 of a mile long. How many feet is that? So 2/3 of a mile converted to feet is what you're doing for that one. 24, we have 35 pints of blood. They want to know how many quarts that is. So you're going to do that conversion. 25, it looks like you need to add all of those up. And a weather forecaster says that over the last 3 days it snowed 2.5 feet. So you're going to add these inches up, change them to feet, and see if that's right. Or you could change 2.5 feet to inches, and after you add these up, see if they're the same. Whichever way you choose to do it, you just want to see, is this amount right here 2.5 feet or over 2.5 feet? See if that's right or not. Okay. All right. And that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great day, great beginning of the week. Enjoy the week. And don't forget that this week is the Christmas Spirit Week. So enjoy wearing all your fun stuff this week. And I will talk to you guys later.